Select a design and select YouTube thumbnail. Click on elements from the left-hand panel and search for frame. Choose a frame style from the options available. Scroll down the panel and click on background. Select a background color or design for your frame. Next, click on upload from the left-hand panel to upload the photo you want to place in the frame. Drag the image onto the frame area. To replace the image in the frame, simply delete the current image and drag a new one onto the frame. Right-click on the image and select Detach Image to separate it from the frame. Move and resize the image within the frames as desired. You can crop the image and adjust its position within the frame to highlight specific parts. Rotate the image within the frame if needed using the rotation handle. Once you are satisfied with the placement and adjustments, click on Done. Your photo frame design is now ready to be downloaded or further edited in Canva. Make sure to check the link in the description down below to access Canva, and if this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.